we did add a new chart in the template area. Whenever you send a template, if it's being sent through SendGrid logs it. We're sending a special template ID, and it reports back. So whenever people go in there, whenever it's processed, meaning whenever it's sent, I know how many people I sent it to. Whenever it's delivered, the delivery server sends back and says, "Hey, it's been delivered, yay!" So we know how many times it's been delivered. Once it's been delivered, how many times has that message or messages been opened? And we can click on that and see who all has opened it and how many times. So each person, these are just sample ones, but typically they open it, a couple different times or whatever, maybe not 19 or 10, and it's kind of excessive on this one. But then if they, inside of that message, if it also has a link, did they click on it? So I know how many clicks, how many people actually clicked on it. So Cody uses this to be able to know whenever he's doing marketing stuff, who's actually opening it, who's clicking it. Does he want to send extra stuff to them? Because you can, once you get a few people, actually, let me go to this one here. Once you get a few people, maybe you want to select them all. They opened it. Maybe you want to send them something else, or you want to update their record or whatever. You can do some additional stuff with those names. One of the things that we couldn't tell is based off of time, over time, what was the trends of things over time. And we've added that so that, hey, I sent it in July, I sent it at different points, and my best click open rate was during this time frame versus this time frame. So you can kind of see where things get better results based off of the trends. So that's what that trends chart's for.